If your 2008 Chevy Traverse just clicks or stays silent when you turn the key, let's troubleshoot the root cause in minutes. Statistically, over 70% of no-start issues on this platform link back to battery health or dirty cable connections. Let's walk through the diagnostic sequence to isolate your specific failure. Start by verifying your basic electrical power, checking for terminal corrosion, and scanning for any stored engine codes. Focus your attention on corroded ground cables, a failing starter solenoid, or a neutral safety switch that prevents cranking. Secondary suspects include a blown main fuse, a security system lockout, or in rare cases, internal engine damage. You can easily handle battery and fuse issues yourself, but starter replacements or electrical harness work usually require a shop. Budgeting for these repairs varies significantly, with simple battery swaps costing much less than complex electrical wiring repairs. For advanced testing, use a multimeter to check the battery voltage and attempt a relay bypass to test the starter motor. Keep a basic toolkit ready containing a multimeter, a socket set, a wire brush for terminals, and an OBD-I scanner. Remember that safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery cable before you start working on any electrical connections. If these steps don't resolve your issue, it is time to consult a local technician. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook.